Hi, this is Queen from AEvent Support. In this video, I'll be showing you how to create timeline actions in adding a tag and removing a tag using your ConvertKit integration with AEvent. So to start, log into your AEvent account. From the dashboard, let's go to the timelines page. Once there, open your timeline and you'll be directed to the page where we create timeline actions. So from here, you just have to click on the Create Action button from the upper right-hand side, and the Create Action window will open, and we have to set the time when you'll want the action to be triggered. So in this example, we'll be setting it up on the event day, and 5 minutes after the webinar has already started, I will be targeting registrants and we'll be selecting ConvertKit. And the action we want is to add tag. And let's select a tag. All right, so 5 minutes after the webinar has started, registrants will be added to this. This tag will be added to our registrants. So just click on Create at the bottom, and we have successfully added the action. The last action that I'll be showing you how to create would be how to remove a tag. So click on the Create Action button from the top, and we'll be setting it up on the same day, event day. And this one I'll set up 30 minutes after the event has started, and we'll be targeting non-attendees. And let's select ConvertKit. And the option we want is to remove tag from non-attendees, and we will be removing this tag from attendees. So just click on Create at the bottom, and we have successfully added the action. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, leave us a comment below, give us a thumbs up, and subscribe to our channel so you'll get notified of new videos that we'll be uploading in the future. Thank you.